To solve such a problem, we know that we are going to move the x and y terms around so that eventually we have all the x terms on the left hand side and all the y terms to the right hand side, so that we can subsequently reorganize it to have x over y on the left hand side. Now, what we are given here is an algebraic fraction. So if it is a fraction here, we should try to remove the denominator. To remove 5, since 5 is a denominator, we can multiply by 5 on both sides. Now, when we multiply by 5, you notice that on the right hand side, the denominator will be gone. On the right hand side, we are left with 3. Now, on the left hand side, the denominator 4x plus 5y, we have to multiply by 4x plus 5y to both sides of the equation. So once we multiply by that, you notice that over here on the left hand side, it will disappear, and on the right hand side, it will appear on the numerator. So we write the simplified form, and you will get 5 times 4x minus y equals to 3 times 4x plus 5y. Now, we can expand the terms first. So on the left hand side, we will get 20x minus 5y. On the right hand side, we have 12x plus 15y. From this step onwards, we can start to apply the strategy. So this is the x term, and this is the y terms. So we are going to move all the x terms to the left hand side. So 20x remain here, and now we minus 12x. Next, on the right hand side, we keep 15y, and now we are going to add 5y on both sides. So left hand side, we have 8x, and right hand side, we are going to get 20y. So with this, let's try to remove 8. Now 8 times x. So to remove 8, we can divide by 8 on both sides. So we get something like this. And next step would be dividing both sides by y. And from here, we get x over y for the left hand side. Now on the right hand side here, the y will disappear, and we should reduce the fraction to its simplest form, which will give us this.